Look how gorgeous this hair is. Look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair install. This one is a special one, guys, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but baby hairs and I never do baby hairs, so super excited to show you how I did that. This hair is from OMG Hair. This is what the box looks like. This is my first time working with them, and I must say the hair is freaking given. You get a few things in the box. You get a wig cap, you get a comb, you get a little bag to put your wig in. I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this look. It was very simple. It didn't take me long at all because everything is pretty much done for you. It's so good when a company has good lace. It goes a long way. So their lace is immaculate. So it made the install process a lot more easier. Let me stop talking, guys. I'm gonna show you how I did everything. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something. I'll leave all the info of the wig in the description box as usual, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did learn something from it or if you like it. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Guys, I have a beautiful unit from OMG Hair. I'm gonna show you. This hair is stunning, giving body yaddy yaddy, and the lace is gorgeous. Have a look at that. That is beautiful. And the construction of the wig has 2 combs on the ears and a comb at the back, which is perfect for security. It also has an elastic band, which is adjustable, which is really, really good for getting that snug on your head. This wig is a little bit small because if I pull down both sides, it comes behind my hairline, and I'll prefer for the hairline to come a lot more forward. But since I'm going to be doing a side part, I'm going to cover this part, so this side wouldn't really matter anyway. But just to give you a heads up, if you do want to get this wig, I would suggest going one size bigger than your regular size, because it does run a little small. Oh, I can't get over how gorgeous this wig is. Right, you can see my wig cap under there, but to be honest, I really can't be asked to take off this wig and put it back on, so I'm just going to ignore that. I'm going to cut the ear tab. This lace is, honestly, look at the lace, guys. It's giving what lace? I haven't put any makeup on the lace, by the way, nothing. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut the lace in 3 like I usually do. Just gonna part off this because it is a little bit forward. This will be great for anyone that has a 𝐒𝐿's lick, but I don't have a 𝐒𝐿's lick, so it's not really that useful for me. I'm gonna wipe my makeup on this side off. As usual, I'm gonna go in with my bed head spray, and I'm gonna start in the middle and work my way in sections. I think we are unstuck. I'm gonna give you a little close up of what we have so far. The lace, okay. Now it's time to cut. I'm always scared about this bit. Let's give it a little whirl. And like I said, I don't really care about this side, so I'm just gonna cut the lace anyhow on this side because the wig is small and my hair is gonna cover it anyway. Because obviously now everything is looking a little bit white and shiny. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more bed hair to clean everything up, and some makeup as well. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and just put that on the hairline so it matches the rest of my makeup, and so we can get rid of that cast as well. So bronzer on the hand. Just gonna work that in. Look at that, look at that. I feel like bronzer works better than face powder, so it really does blend into your skin. Oh, look at that. If that's not a melt, tell me what is. Oh my god, wow, wow. Every time I want to cut baby hairs, I'm like, should I? So this is a potential baby hair. I'm gonna get hair from here. So now that the baby hairs have been parted away, I'm gonna get my razor and cut them. Boom. Ooh, child, boom. I'm gonna get my little curlers by Wall as well. I'll leave the link below if I can find it. And I'm just gonna curl the baby hair inwards. And I'm gonna get my mousse. This one is by 𝐒𝐿𝐿. It actually stays. Oh, not it working. Am I gonna do baby hairs, guys? Guys, I did baby hairs. Oh, someone has to see me today. Somebody has to see me today. Cause what? I can't believe I actually did this. Someone is seeing me today. Wow. Let's get into the baby hairs. Cause I did that. I did that. Let's get into the melts because I did that. Wow. I hope the wind doesn't blow because otherwise, look how gorgeous this hair is. Look at this. I'm gonna flatten this a little bit more. Oh, this is beautiful. This hair is so soft, gorgeous. If you want a super sleek, flat look, this wig is your friend. Hey, somebody must see me today. I haven't even straightened this out properly yet. Like what? I'm gonna get my oil. I'm just gonna put that on the hair before straightening. Gonna get my straighteners. Just give that a good blast. I'm done styling the hair. I was gonna cut layers into it and like curl it and stuff, but I like the way it looks bone straight. It's giving me 𝐒𝐿𝐿𝐿 vibes and I'm in love with this hair. Okay, let me get up so I can show you the sleekness of this. It's so beautiful. It literally melts through my fingers. The hair is so soft. I can't get enough of how soft this hair is. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. I'm in love. Close up of the front again. I didn't think this was gonna come out looking this good. It looks so good. I look like I've been to a hairstylist to get my hair done. And I'm proud of me. All done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I absolutely love this hair. At first I didn't think I would like it that much, but it is a giving. It's giving everything that it needs to give and I freaking love it. The hairline, again, let me just do a little close up so you guys can see. The lace is immaculate and the hairline is beautiful. And I just love how soft the actual hair on the wig is. It literally slips off my fingers. So thank you so much to OMG Her Hair for kindly sponsoring this video. I'll leave all the links for the wig down below as usual. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe if you like the look of me. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.